We have a problem. These RV stairs are not going to work on our travel trailer. And there's also another problem with this style stair, and you see it a lot on travel trailers. When they flip up, everything dumps inside your RV. So think about if you're in the dirt or snow or rain and your stairs are all dirty. Even if you try cleaning them, they're going to dump everything inside your travel trailer. Probably not an issue if you camp on asphalt, but we don't do that. The other issue is that our door, as you can see, is removed. We're installing a new door that's narrower, and so these stairs absolutely will not fit with the new door. And so we searched the entire internet and we found a good solution for our travel trailer. And let's go check that out. This is our solution. And it may look familiar because these are the very similar stairs we had on our truck camper. They're from Torklift, and they were kind enough to send us these stairs. And we had searched everywhere to find a stair that would store on the outside of the travel trailer and also be removable and would also be fairly lightweight. And there's really not a lot of good solutions out there. But man, Torklift makes some really amazing products. These were the stairs that we were planning on putting on our truck camper originally. And the neat thing with them is they come with this storage bracket. So these are the Stow N Go stairs, and it allows the stairs to be stored on the outside of the vehicle, or you can remove them with these two pins. So the stairs bracket itself just attaches to the stair system with those two pins, boom, pops off, and you could have your stairs removed. So that will allow us to do a couple things. One is that we'll be able to, most of the time, just leave the stairs on the back of the trailer. And then when we're going really crazy off-road, we can just pull them off and throw them in the front tongue box. So that's a really great solution. Torklift is one of the few great American companies that is based up in Washington. And they provide you not only really high quality product, but they're one of the companies that really thinks through the installation. And their hardware kit is a great example of how detailed they are. If you look over here with what is included, they've got lots of hardware. So obviously you're not going to use all these bolts. You only need 6 bolts, but they have various lengths. These are all stainless steel hardware. So you've got a couple different bolt lengths, and then if you're screwing into a wood surface, you can use these lag bolts. The only thing that's not stainless is these fender washers, but they are coated. But you can see that there's nuts, lock nuts, washers, various sizes, the star washers, and check this out, a fish bolt tool. So basically you can fish your bolt through an opening in the frame or whatnot. They also have a bracket that's available to install this onto a tailgate of a truck. So you could have stairs going up maybe into a truck camper, or maybe just need stairs to get up into your truck because it's so tall. So really cool design. The other thing that's really neat with these stairs is that they are customizable to what you need. So you can have as many or few stairs as you need within reason to the different heights of your vehicle. The other thing that's really neat with these stairs, and these are the same as what we had on our truck camper, is it has landing gear. And on each side, it has a little indent push pin, and so you can adjust each leg individually. So as we all know, if you're out in the wild, the ground is not level, typically side to side, so that gives you the ability to adjust each side of the stairs. That's really cool. They're also made out of aluminum, so relatively lightweight, and they're pretty sturdy for being a stair that scissors and collapses, which is really nice. We enjoyed them a lot. This was the stair system we were hoping to put on our truck camper, but we just didn't have the space for this bracket on the back because we added that under storage drawer underneath the door there. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. As you can see, it's really a simple install with just 6 bolt holes. And we're just gonna bolt right through the frame on the back of the travel trailer. And that's something that people don't really think about, is that these stairs could be used for lots of applications. Torklift is known to be in the truck camper world, providing some great step options for truck campers. And that's a great niche, but these are applicable to a lot of different applications. Maybe you're building your own custom cargo trailer, or you have your own bus, or an overland vehicle, or a manufactured, mass production travel trailer like we've got, and you're looking for a unique, stair option that gives you a lot of flexibility. So these are pretty cool for that. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like installed on our trailer, and I'll go ahead and show you how we decided to install it. For those of you wondering, we saved weight. The old stairs weighed in at 30 pounds. These weigh in at only 23 pounds. 7-pound weight savings, which is always great, is to reduce weight. Let's go ahead and get this bracket installed. The mounting bracket is going to be mounted to the back frame cross member, and I'm going to go ahead and mount it all the way as high as possible because it will still allow access for the pin to pull the stairs off. And you can see it hangs down just a little bit lower than the frame. Not a whole lot, so probably limited risk on dragging it. And what we did is measured from each side, got the center point here, and verified that. So we're gonna center it on our door opening, of course, which is centered on our trailer. So we go ahead and marked that with a Sharpie, and I'm gonna mark each of the 6 holes here, and then use our little centering punch to hit the exact center. And then what we'll do is drill it out with a small drill bit and then use a stepper bit to enlarge it to the bolt size. Using the drill stepper bit is a lot easier to enlarge holes in steel, and it also allows you to have a burr-free hole, which is really nice for finishing things off. So definitely a lot easier to pilot a hole with a small drill bit and then use a stepper bit. And then before we start installing everything, we chose these shorter stainless steel bolts. And we're just gonna test fit all these, make sure they all fit into our hole, and we don't need to enlarge them at all beforehand. That hole might need a slight enlarging, and so we'll make sure that they all fit well in there. And then what we'll be doing is using a washer on the front side, a washer on the back side, a lock washer, and then the nuts to hold it on. There's nothing really behind here, so it actually is super easy access for us. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed. Now that we've got all the holes fitted up well, we test fit, everything's looking good, we're gonna go ahead and just hit it with some spray paint real quick, and that way these little cutouts won't rust. We're gonna use the bolt and then the washer, put it through the face here, and then on the back side, we're gonna use another washer, and then the lock washer, and then the nut. And that will hold it really well in there. So we're gonna go ahead and get this put on. Now with the bracket installed, we can go ahead and put the stairs on, and it's easier with the Stow N Go to just put the bottom alignment into that bottom bracket and then take the pin and go ahead and put it through the hole. In our case, we put it pretty tight up to the bottom of the trailer, so getting it lined up is a little bit of a trick, but once you got it, there it goes. And then on the inside, we'll go ahead and put this locking pin, and we'll do that on both sides here, and then it will be installed. So that will allow us to be able to pull these stairs off really easily if we need to when we're getting a little rowdier, but for the most part we'll leave them on here. So let's go ahead and get them pinned in, and we'll show you how to deploy. With the stairs all pinned in and installed, you can see very nice and sturdy. That Stow N Go bracket holds the stairs nice and tight, and part of that is because they have a rubber bushing bump stop here that holds against this little nylon tab, which goes into this little slot in the bracketry, and then this rubber handle kind of just holds it all in place while you're in transit. A really nice simplistic design. So to deploy the stairs, all you do is pull the rubber handles on either side, pull them off of the little stud there, and then you can kind of jiggle it off of the bracketry and just pull the stairs down. Now, since we're on level ground, we don't have to worry about adjusting the landing gear because both sides are nice and level. But if we wanted to, or we were on a rocky terrain, we could adjust either side to keep that stair nice and level without having to dig holes or stack rocks underneath the stairs. The other thing that's neat with these stairs is they're customizable. So if you measure from your floor height to the ground, you can see it on the website how many stairs you're gonna need. And in this case, we only need 3 stairs. which is great. That's about half as many stairs as our truck camper had. And each one of these stairs is about a 7-inch rise. So it's a very nice, easy climb into your rig. So this allows for you to really use these stairs for so many different applications. You know, if you're doing a travel trailer like we are, or maybe a custom trailer or overland vehicle or a bus or a truck camper or a flatbed camper, really sky's the limit. This step system, you know, can be adapted, and they provide so many different clever ways of attaching them to your vehicle. And like I said, this bracket works really neat if you have the space for it, and with all the different hardware that's included, it made such an easy install for us. So let's go ahead and see how it looks getting in and out. Ooh, nice stairs you have there, lady.
I like them. I like them a lot. They're very nice and they're very sturdy. They were wonderful to have on our truck camper. And I do also really like the glow feature on them, because a lot of times if we're camped with other people, we're out until way after dark. So it's really nice to be able to see in the back of your camper without turning on the lights so you don't get any bugs.
Yeah, I think this is the perfect stair solution for our new project here. So yeah, definitely if you're looking at a high quality step system for whatever project you're working on, these are worth trying out. We used them on our truck camper for, I guess, several years, and they have been really just flawless, worked really well, and it's pretty neat that they're lighter weight but high quality. So if you have any questions about stairs or steps, post them up in the comments below. We'd be glad to offer any feedback we have from our experience. And otherwise, thank you so much for watching and checking out our new stair solution for our trailer. And coming up, we'll be doing more fun rehab overhaul videos on our trailer here. So you can see we have quite a lot gutted out of the inside. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you. Bye. Seems to work really well. We'll get to try them out on our next trip officially.